like.
Closed. Oh, never mind. I'll just have like.
Oh, they're open.
Casino. And we were walking to the falls. That's a little bit chilly. Dragonfly is Dragon.
I thought it's an insect.
Yeah. わあ、ナイアガラ滝が見える。あそこにこんななんか街の中でポツンとあるんだ。あそこに見えるのがナイアガラの滝らしいです。結構街の中にあるんだね。So that's US.
Yep,
That
that's
wow. That's so cool. あれがアメリカだって。怖っ。すごっ。
So if you come here during summer, you can take a boat ride and then go into the fall.
Wow. Wow, that one. 滝の色変えてんだ。すごいな。いや、すごい。人も少ない。まあ、夜だからあんま見えないんですけどね。でもマジすごい。頑張れ頑張れ。I'm getting closer to this. すごい、なんか近づいてきて、マイナスイオンがすごいね。多分綺麗。神秘的だね。すごい。すごいね。マイナスイオンを浴びてますよ。あ、もう滝の中にいる感じ。柵には登っちゃダメだよ。感じを。すごい。すごい。うわー、でもびしょびしょだよここ。うわ、すごいすごいすごい。うわー。うわー。You guys can see the rainbow over there? Right there? So cool. So misty here. I just don't want to drop my camera. Wow! みんな濡れちゃうからね。うわー。しかも人がいないっていうね。いや、これはもう絶対危ない。まさかナイアガラに来れるとは思ってないからね。もうこのすごい。こんな近い。すごいわ。しかも寒くて凍ってるから、こんなとこ登ったらすぐ落ちちゃうよ。もうね、この水の流れであります まあ、車で1時間弱で来れるみたいで、ダウンタウンから。すごいまた自然のパワーをこのねいただきました。自然のパワーでは。Thank you Cordelia for taking us here today.
You're welcome.
She's Cordelia and where's Sin? Hi Sin, how was making a wish? She was just making a wish.
Nice beach.
What?
For the family, for
Wow,
friends.
that's dangerous.
Yeah, you know, usually they say your first time always win. My first time in this casino, I played blackjack. I have like only $200 and I ended up with $2,000.
No way!
My first time.
Wow, so you won
That's so cool. So I'm a
80,000.
casino.
Wow.
Thinking I should try or not. That's like better. If it's like nobody at the table, it's like nobody's being winning at the table. So it's like less chance for you to win.
Oh, nice. We can join around the team.
Yeah, she wants something.
No, for you.
Yeah, no. My friends say want something.
My money too. This is my money. Hold on.
She wants $200 and then this girl wants some money. Me? Nah. Even, yeah. No plus or no. Yeah, I
You
didn't.
lose, that's good.
I didn't lose. I didn't win. So it's good.
Rob's gonna finish the order for you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Oh,
That's why the guys like it doesn't look like you.
this idea is so ugly.
That's our drink. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So $21.75.
$21.75.
Take your time. I'll come right now.
Martini.
Wow, this is martini. I like gin, so wow.